reception. I'm going to read another story to you today, but do you have any idea what the main character is going to be? I'll give you some clues. I love to set sail on the ocean. I love to do a jig. And I love to find buried treasure. Who do you think I am? If you guessed pirate, arr, you're right. Today I'm going to read the story, Polly Parrot Picks a Pirate. Polly Parrot Picks a Pirate. Written by Peter Bentley and illustrated by Penny Dan. Polly the parrot was sick of her tree. Same old branches and leaves, same old nothing to see. Same cheeky chimps with their same cheeky tricks. I'm fed up with living out here in the sticks. She squawked, "It's a life on the ocean for me. I'll find a pet pirate and sail off to sea. I'll find one who's clever and dashing and brave, who's handsome and clean, and who won't misbehave." What is Polly's goal? What did she say that she wanted to do? What is she setting off to find? So off fluttered Polly that very same day, to the inn by the harbor at Buccaneer Bay. There sat the pirates with all of their crews. "Now," wondered Polly, "which one shall I choose?" Bartholomew Blood appeared smart at first sight, but sadly for Polly, he wasn't too bright. "I can't find my treasure," he said with a frown. "You noodle," squawked Polly. "Your map's upside down." "Oh dear," Polly sighed, "but I won't give up yet. I'm sure I can find a much cleverer pet." Phineas Mudd seemed a fine, fearless sort, but was really the clumsiest pirate in port. What does the word clumsy mean? If someone is clumsy, what do they do? He swung from the rigging with daring and dash, then slipped on a barrel and crash, and kersplash. "Oh dear," Polly sighed, "but I won't give up yet. I'm sure I can find a less bumbling pet." Crazy Kit Cutlass looked fearsome and brave, till he ran with a screech from the smuggler's cave. Uh-oh, what do you think was in that cave that made Crazy Kit scared? Have a clever guess. What is your prediction for what's in the cave? As Crazy Kit trembled in terror beside her, Polly peeped in and discovered a spider. "Oh dear," Polly sighed, "but I won't give up yet. I'm sure I can find a less cowardly pet." She searched the whole harbor. She flew all around, but the perfect pet pirate just couldn't be found. Gentleman Ned was too fond of his clothes. Using the picture to look for clues, why is Polly not choosing this pirate to be her pet? What do you think? Two-Toothed Trelawney kept picking his nose. Mad Dog Domingo wore stockings that stank. And Jack Salamander kept walking the plank. Sighed Polly, "I can't find the pirate for me." so it looks like I'll have to go back to my tree. Go back to her tree? Do you think that's what Polly should do next? Do you think she should give up? Why or why not? She was just heading home when she heard a man say, "There's a big pirate battle in Buccaneer Bay. Redbeard is fighting with old Pegleg Pete. They're the very best pirates in all of the fleet." At last, Polly thought, as she turned for the sea. They sound like the perfect pet pirates for me. Smash went the pirates, and whap and crunch. They fought all day long with a short break for lunch. "Surrender!" cried Pegleg, but Redbeard roared, "Never! Surrender yourself! I'm the best pirate ever!" Why are the two pirates fighting? What is the reason that the book tells us? Redbeard and Pegleg were in a right strop. They battled and bashed until Polly squawked, "Stop! The way this is going, there won't be a winner, except for the sharks who will have pirates for dinner. Why don't you stop fighting and simply agree that you're both the best pirates who sail in the sea?" Then Polly looked closely and saw a strange thing. That massive red beard, was it tied on with a string? What two words did the author use to describe the beard? I'll read it to you again. That massive red beard was tied on with a string. What two words were they? She tugged at the beard, and it fell in the sea. "Great galleons!" gasped Pegleg. "Old Redbeard's she!" "Do you know," chuckled Redbeard, "this parrot is right. There's really no need to continue our fight." "Why don't we join forces?" said Pegleg. "With pleasure. Double the pirate means..." Double the pirate means double the... If the pirates work together, what would they have double of? Can you predict what it might be? Double the treasure! Pegleg and Redbeard were married that night. They danced round the mast and forgot their old fight. I think the pirates are having a party. Is that true or false? What clues in the picture make me think that they're having a party? Can you find them? "Hooray!" Polly cried. "What a fabulous do! I wanted one pirate and now I've got two. They're clever and dashing and fearless and brave. But I might have to check that they don't misbehave." So with her new pets, Polly sailed off to sea. And she thought, it's a life on the ocean for me. Can you describe what just happened at the end of the book that made Polly so happy? As she turned to her tree for one last farewell glimpse, she laughed, "Now I'm finally free of those chimps." The end. Thanks for watching. And before you go, I have one more question I want you to think about. If if you could be a pirate, what kind of pirate would you be? Would you be that clumsy one? Would you be that scaredy cat one? Or the smelly one? Or would you be strong and brave and clever? I want you to think. Maybe if you want to join in, you can dress up like a pirate too. What would your pirate name be? Mine is Miss Hook and Carron. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!